Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make stir-fried chicken noodles. Start by gathering all your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, 8 ounces of your favorite stir-fry noodles, and a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas. Slice the chicken into thin, bite-sized pieces and chop all your vegetables into uniform sizes. This preparation is key for a quick and successful stir-fry. Now let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, like sesame or vegetable oil, in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add your sliced chicken and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's fully cooked and lightly browned. While the chicken cooks, boil your stir-fry noodles according to the package instructions, usually for 3 to 5 minutes, then drain them well. Next, add your chopped vegetables to the wok with the cooked chicken. Stir-fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a nice bite. While they cook, whisk together a delicious sauce using 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Pour this flavorful sauce over the chicken and vegetables, stirring well to ensure everything is evenly coated. Finally, add your drained, cooked noodles to the wok with the saucy chicken and vegetables. Using tongs or 2 spatulas, gently toss everything together for 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring the noodles are thoroughly coated with the sauce and heated through. Serve your delicious homemade stir-fried chicken noodles immediately. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or freshly chopped green onions. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.